Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, Get Business Credit YouTube subscribers? Appreciate you tuning in this evening or this morning, whatever time it may be for you. Tonight, we're going to be talking about a new business fintech card. I wish I had the card in front of me. Tomorrow, I will have it. You know, I'm traveling overseas, so I will have it tomorrow for you. And later this week, I'll make another video about Jeeves. So they are a new fintech corporate card that very much is in line with Divvy, Turpago, I would say, and they give pretty good limits. I can't discuss because I'm a partner with them. In fact, we are the very first partner publicly with Jeeves, so definitely use my link, sign up for sure. Appreciate that so much. But anyways, let's get into it. I already made one video, I think, last week, and you guys can see here that they were mainly focused on South America and like European countries, but then they now are open to U.S. companies, and they are backed by Silicon Valley Bank. I'm going to be making a video about Silicon Valley Bank as well, because they are great for tech startups. This is a great company. That's all I can say. It's like there's a lot of videos to come because they're so new, but I'll tell you, just watch on YouTube, just search like Jeeves CEO. D-Lup is the founder. He's been on CSNBC, MSNBC. Just watch his interviews. Brilliant guy. Hopefully I'll have him on the channel at some point. I know he's a busy guy. But anyways, the great thing about Jeeves is they're currently not using the Plaid platform. They're basically looking at bank statements, and they're open to even a business that's 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, or 60 months old. It doesn't matter. They're open to do business with anybody. Of course, the more you spend per month, that's where they make their money. So they don't charge you any fees. They give you up to 60 days. You heard right, 60 days. And they will be reporting to all the business credit bureaus as well. I have the card already. I don't have it in my hand right now because you guys know I'm overseas traveling right now because of my call center. But the card's already actually been delivered. And it's a cool looking card too. It's kind of like that BlockFi card. But I'll probably make a video later this week just showing the card and update you guys a little bit. But Jeeves is like, I think, the next best thing since sliced bread in a sense, especially for new business owners. So Jeeves is issued by Bank, so it's similar like PayPal, but the good thing about it is there's no personal guarantee, and they're mainly underwriting based on manual bank statements. So you have to send them, you really want to have at least 3 months bank statements. That's what I gave them myself. I can't show you my limit, but I can show you my dashboard. But they give you up to 60 days. So if you pay early, you get a discount, like a statement credit, if I'm not mistaken. And then 60 days, you're not going to get any discount or whatever, but you got 60 days to pay. So it's a new fintech. I'll have more information for you guys very soon. Hopefully I'll have them on the channel. Let me just show you a screenshot here of my account. You can see here, this is the dashboard, Van Horn Marketing. I can't show you the available spend because of some NDAs and stuff, but I haven't used it yet. I have the card. It's a cool card. And also you get some rewards as well. So use my link below. I know other data points, but I can't really tell you them because they kind of told me not to tell everybody the data points, but they're willing to work with anybody, basically. So what I suggest you to do is submit the application. It is kind of like a waiting list application, but like you fill the little form out, it will make you feel like you just joined a waiting list. It's really not. I was like the first one in. As far as like a YouTuber and stuff, I was like the first one in, and like 48 hours later, the rep reached out to me. We had a good Zoom call. They will want to do like a Zoom call with you, so be prepared to do like a video call with them or a phone call, because they're going to want to know your customers. They want to know their customers because they're underwriting. They got a lot of big backers and stuff, but they want to know their customers, of course. But they give you too much. So this is more of like a teaser video. I'll make a more formal video later this week. I'll have the card later today or tomorrow in my hand so I can show you guys, but they give good limits. What I can tell you is they're going to give you in between 10 to 40% of what you have in the bank account. And it may be above that, and maybe I shouldn't even have said that, because maybe they do give higher than that, because like I said, I've only provided 3 months of business bank account because I switched from one bank to another bank, and that's why I provided them. Anyways, that's all for this video. Be sure to sign up. Doesn't matter what type of business you're in. Just sign up and see where it goes from there. They made a point to me not to stress out like a threshold, like say the Ramp or like Brex. Like they're willing to accept anybody. It's there's no personal guarantee. They don't do credit check. They're looking at your bank data. They don't use the Plaid platform right now. They're gonna want you to manually submit like PDF banking statements to them for 3 to 6 months and your ID. That's it. But I can tell you they give me a pretty high limit. I just can't disclose it at this time. But it's expense management. You can issue virtual cards, physical cards, and I don't know. I have a lot of confidence in Jeeves. Like this company, I think is gonna be definitely a game changer. Just because the management that's running it, I have a lot of confidence. I'm following the founder on YouTube and on Twitter daily. So definitely just stay tuned. Sign up. Doesn't matter what type of business you are in and what type of cash flow. Of course, I can't guarantee you anything. They'll be the one to tell you if you're either approved or not approved during your onboarding call. What I can tell you is I don't think are as strict, and the limits can range anywhere from, I think, maybe $1,000 all the way up to like, I don't even want to say amount, but it's high limit, and they'll give you up to 60 days to pay. Their ideal customer is 10 to 30,000. That's what they like to see spent per month. But I'll have like probably 2 or 3 more Jeeves videos coming up, okay? Until next time, you guys take care. Please hit the subscribe button. Sign up with my link, okay? I'm bringing the very first Jeeves video out there on YouTube, okay? Sign up. You guys won't be disappointed, I'm sure. Just be ready to, be honest with them and let them know, your business and everything. And they'll try to cater to your business and give you a credit line that works, okay? And they're reporting to the business credit bureaus. So much with this company I have so much confidence in. So definitely stay tuned, okay? Till next time, you guys take care. Thanks again for watching.